Hello and good day. Are you interested in learning the C# programming language? Well, you're in the right place. Today, I have an amazing course for you that will help you learn C# from scratch to advanced level. The price of this course, with the 40% discount that Udemy offers, is around €12. However, I want to offer this course to you completely free of charge, without you needing to pay anything at all. Things you will learn in this course: create Windows programs with C#, use Visual Studio, and much more. First, open your browser and type gotodiscounts.com in the search bar. After searching, click on the relevant link. Make sure to enter exactly what has been typed to be directly transferred to the desired page. On the main page of gotodiscounts.com, there are different sections where you can choose your category to find the desired course. On the open page, the courses in the selected category will be displayed, especially the desired course. By clicking on its link, we are directed to the course page. The course page opens for us, containing information about the course, including the discount and expiration date. Pay attention to the expiration date of the discount, and to access it, scroll down the page and click on the Go to the Discounted Course button. As you can see, I got this course completely for free through the website gotodiscounts.com. A course that is offered to you 100% for free. Just keep in mind that this discount is not permanent and is only valid for 2 more days. So, don't miss out and act now. If you found this video helpful, please share it with your friends. We'd also appreciate it if you could like and subscribe to our channel. Have a great day.